Hello everyone, welcome to this audiovisual class. In this module, I will explain you about the places, the locations where we will use the article. Okay, let us see. Rule number 1. Before the names of geographical areas or oceans. So, something unique. If there is anything unique, at that place we will use the article. The Amazon forest, the Himalaya, the Indian Ocean. Second, to point out a definite place or definite thing, we will use the article. The man on the terrace was very helpful. So the speaker want to point out a particular person who is living on the terrace. Okay, next. The mango outside the basket was rotten. So the speaker want to point only that particular mangoes, those were outside from the basket. Next, rule number 2. Before the names of holy books or religious community, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran, it is compulsory to use the article. The Hindus, the Christians, the Jainism, the Indian, the English. Rule number 3. Before the names of newspapers or magazines, the Hindustan Times, the Dainik Bhaskar, the Dainik Jagran, the India TV, the Washington Post, all these things. Rule number 4. Before ordinals and superlative degrees of adjectives. The last answer, the best school, the second person. Rule number 5. Before the names of unique things, we will use the article. The Jupiter, there is only one Jupiter. The Sun, there is only one Sun. The Tropic of Cancer, we can also say the Earth. Right, next. Before the names of famous buildings, hostels, hotels, restaurants, museums, cinemas and theaters. The Sanshad Bhavan, the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Taj Mahal, the Oberoi Hotel, the PVR Cinema, the Raj Cinema, all these things. Okay. Rule number 7. Before abbreviations, we will use the article. The UK, the WHO, UK United Kingdom, the WHO. If you know the full form of WHO, you will write in the comment section. The UNESCO. Rule number 8. Before scientific inventions and instruments, we will use the article. The mobile phone. I am using the mobile phone. I am watching the television because television is invented by the scientist. I am learning the guitar. Okay. Rule number 9. Before the group of names like noun plus of plus nouns. For example, the United States of America. The United States, it's noun plus of, then America is another noun. That's why we will use the article. Next, the Bay of Bengal. Okay, before the surnames to represent the whole family, we will also use the article. The Vermas, it means all the members of Verma family. The Sharmas, all the members of Sharma's family. The Meenas, all the members of Meena's family. Nice. This is homework for you. Fill in the blanks with the article where necessary and put a cross mark where the article is not required. So, she is as fair as dash moon. You will decide the article will come or not. Bhanu is dash boy I am talking about. You will decide the article will come or not. Did he complete his homework on dash Tuesday? You will decide the article will come or not. Please teach me how to play dash golf. You will decide the article will come or not. Before the name of sports, the article is compulsory or the article should be omitted. You will decide. Fifth question. They were invited by dash Guptas. The article will come or not. My dear students, you will decide. Haven't you seen dash Taj Mahal? Shall I use the article before Taj Mahal? Yes or no? You will decide. Thank you.